Splish, splash. Hi, friends. I'm Finn the fish, and today we're going on an alphabet adventure right here in the backyard pond. Are you ready to dive in and find letters with me? Look, it's an angelfish. A is for angelfish. They love to glide through the water. Can you wave your arms like an angelfish? Swish, swish. Wow. Look at this fancy fish. B is for Betta. They love to show off their beautiful colors. Let's flap our hands like Betta fish fins. Flap, flap. Ooh, here's a clever fish. C is for catfish. It has whiskers to feel its way around. Can you wiggle your fingers like catfish whiskers? Wiggle, wiggle. Whoa, these little fish are fast. D is for Danio. They love to zoom around the pond. Let's run in place like a speedy Danio. Zoom, zoom. Wow, what a splash-tastic adventure. We met the amazing angelfish, the bubbly Betta, the clever catfish, and the dashing Danio. Which fish was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye-bye, little fishy friends. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today.